Hi, I'm Rahul, and in this tutorial we will learn how to plot a box plot. The box plot will be useful when one variable is discrete and another variable is continuous. Then it is better to go for a box plot. And to plot the box plot, we are using the ggplot2 package here. To import that package, first install the package using install.packages. And after that, to use that package, import the library using the library function, and inside the parenthesis give ggplot2 and press Ctrl Enter. It will import the library. We are using the empty cars dataset to plot those graphs or box plots, and this empty cars such a dataset we are assigning to a variable new_data. So press Ctrl Enter, and to plot a box plot, use the ggplot function. Inside that, give the data equal to new_data with comma mapping equal to aesthetic or AES. Give x in x-axis. Give in x-axis I'm giving a categorical or a factor variable gear. The gear is continuous, so we are converting it to a factor using as.factor and assigning to x. And with comma give y equal to a continuous variable mpg plus. Use the geom_boxplot function to plot the box plot. Press Ctrl Enter. It will plot the box plot of 3, 4 and 5 of different data. In y-axis mpg and in x-axis gear. You can search about the box plot in different website, what is actually a box plot and what this boxes represent. I will talk it about later in statistics tutorial. So I'm just showing here how to plot it. So we can also map a third variable to color to make it to provide a color. Say we want to map AM automatic or manual to color. Okay, to do that, use ggplot. Inside the data equal to new_data with comma mapping is equal to aesthetic AES, and x equal to give gear as a factor, converting a as.factor with a as.factor function, comma y equal to mpg plus. Use geom_boxplot. Inside that, give AES, that is aesthetic. What aesthetic of box plot you want to give? So AES inside gives the color argument equal to as.factor. Inside that, give AM. So it will convert AM to a factor and map to color for the box plot. Okay. So based on automatic and manual, it will plot the box plot colors. And in x and y axis, which gives gear and mpg. If you press Ctrl Enter, then you can see the automatic and manual as a factor given as 0 and 1 with red and green color. So here 3, 4 and 5. In 3 only 1. In 4, 5 that is only one box plot. In 4 based on 0 and 1 there are 2 box plots. In y-axis there is mpg, and in x-axis such gear as a factor. If you want to add a layer of jitterness or add a layer of jitter points, then you can also do that. To do that, use the ggplot function. Give the data equal to new_data comma mapping equal to aesthetic. In x give gear as a factor and y mpg plus. Use the function geom_boxplot to plot a box plot plus use the geom_jitter function and give the width equal to 0.2 and press Ctrl Enter. You can see the points now jittered over the box plot. You can see the box plot along with the jitter points. To flip the coordinates, sometimes it is y-axis, in y-axis mpg and in x-axis the gear. Sometimes we want to flip the coordinates. To do that, use the flip coordinate_flip or quad_flip function. Up to that, give the same syntax plus use the quad_flip function and press Ctrl Enter. It will flip the axis. So here the axis is flipped now. Here as.factor in this axis and mpg in this axis. So sometimes we can also change the shape of this box plot. If we want to plot a notch type of a box plot, then we can also ggplot2 also provide that kind of facility. To do that, use the ggplot function. Inside that, give the data equal to new_data with comma give mapping equal to AES aesthetic, x equal to as.factor gear and y equal to mpg plus. Use the geom_boxplot function to plot the box plot. And if you want to make the box plot rather than this kind of rectangular or square to a notch shape, you can do that. So inside that, give notch equal to true, plus gm underscore jitter. If you want to plot the points in jitter form, you can also do that. And inside that, give the width equal to 0.2. Press Ctrl Enter. You can see this is the notch plot. Okay, and here also the points are jittered. So thanks for watching, and if you find the tutorials are useful for you, you can subscribe, and thanks.